Hello everyone, welcome back to Victor Shamaki. In this video, I will teach you how to create sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro and explain the key settings you can choose so you can choose the right setup for your project. But before we launch into the video proper, what is sequence? So basically, sequence is where you assemble and edit your clips. It defines your timeline settings like frame size, frame rate, and audio sample rate. So to create a frame sequence, you can either click on the file and then go to new and go to sequence, or you press Ctrl and N on the window or Command N on the Mac. So you will be given these available options like the sequence, preset, settings, tracks, and VR video. So on these settings, you can go to the settings and then choose from among this range whether any of these things you choose here. It has its own settings. So you can also choose the frame rate, whether it's 23.976, that's 24 frame rate, or 25, or 29, that's 30 frame rate. You can just pick any of these settings of your choice. See the audio samples here, whether it is millisecond or live audio sample. See the sample rates, 4000. You can choose any of this that defines your video. And if you are not sure of what you shoot on, so you can just pick any of them and then import any video of your choice. So let's import this clip I have here. Now the moment I drop this clip, you'll see a dialog box asking if telling me that this clip does not match the sequence settings. So all I need to do is to hit the change sequence settings so that it maintains what I bring in, right? So that it maintains what I bring in. At the end of the day, you have a new sequence. Now, another important fact that you need to note. So for proper identification, I advise you always save your sequence. Now we have sequence 3 and sequence 4. So if you want to save any of them, like this sequence 3 now, you just right click on it. Once you right click on it, you will look for rename. We have rename here. Then you name it to whatever it is. If it is B-roll or if it is audio, it is anything, you just rename it so that you have a proper name that fits into any of this. That will help you to stay organized while editing. So you can also create sequence by dragging a clip on top the new item icon. So like here now, if I drag a clip, let's say I drag this clip, where is this? So if I drag it onto here, I'll be able to create a new sequence. So that's another way you can create a sequence. So you can either sort the order, or you put it on order selection. You can order override or inside edit. Any of them, you just click on OK. It should be able to create you a sequence. So that is it for now. Now you know how to create sequence in Premiere Pro and choose the right settings for your edit. Like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment if you like more tips on optimizing your sequence. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.